On July 4th, Bishop Robert Barron called on federal court to overturn a Washington state law that would compel priests to break the seal of confession, arguing that the law shows manifest disregard for a sacred and long-standing church tradition. Bishop Barron, who serves as a bishop of Vienna, Rochester, and is a member of the White House Religious Liberty Commission, made his case in a proposed amicus brief submitted to the U.S. District Court in Washington state. The filing was made on behalf of the bishops of Washington state, who in May filed a lawsuit against the state government challenging a new mandatory reporting law. The law requires priests to report instances of child abuse disclosed during the sacrament of confession or risk imprisonment and fines. Religious liberty advocates have condemned the law, arguing that it unfairly targets the Catholic Church. The U.S. Department of Justice and a coalition of Orthodox churches have also taken a legal action against the state over the controversial mandate. The Confraternity of Catholic Clergy, representing over 500 Roman Catholic priests and deacons from the US, Australia, and the UK, issued a statement last month defending the inviolability of the seal of confession. Bishop Barron emphasized to the court the frequently misunderstood theological foundation of the Catholic Church's confession seal. He noted that few religious practices are as widely misinterpreted as sacred seal of confession. According to the Catholic belief, those who enter the confession are engaging directly with God through the priest. For that reason, Bishop Barron argued, nothing should obstruct a penitent from approaching the vital source of divine grace. The bishop contended that the state law is clearly based on a disregard for the sanctity of the confessional seal, noting that it specifically excludes clergy from a board of exemption typically granted for privileged communications. He argued that the law breaches long-established precedents protecting religious freedom as well as legal principles upholding religious neutrality. Bishop Barron urged the court to issue an injunction to prevent the law from being enforced. The law is set to take effect on July 27th, with a hearing on the lawsuit scheduled for July 14th.